Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Staaaaaag. Hope you're having a really great week wherever you are. This week I was scrapping around for things to do because it's been quite cold here. I'm not really mechanicking weather, if I'm really honest, and wet and windy as well and all that kind of thing. So what I thought I'd do was, given that we had the New Year and Christmas period only a couple of 3 weeks back, there was so much going on online on Facebook and elsewhere that stag owners around the world were sending in, including 1 or 2 little videos as well. So I thought I'd be a bit creative this week and do a little bit of a montage of photographs from around various venues. People have been out and about showing off their cars on New Year's Day, in and around that, also overseas, cruising down by the beach and whatever. So I just thought I'd share with you some of the pictures and some of the images to get us all in the mood for 2020 and celebrate the Triumph Stag Mark. Why not? So let's go and have a look. So okay, this may be cheating just a little bit, but Adrian Down Under sent us these photos towards the end of last year and I thought I'd include them. Meanwhile, here was David and his family out and about on New Year's Day, enjoying the sunshine with the roof down, and the dog as well went along. Must say, I think he was missing some of those beers. He looks rather envious of those. Happy days. Separately, there was James out and about in Stony Stratford for the classic car gathering for New Year's Day, and one of which you'll see shortly was sporting the Arry The Staaaaaag badge of honour. Even better. There were even cars there for all ages. And it looked like a really great turnout. Look at that. Fantastic. Nice badges. Great to see an E-Type Jaguar and even a London bus. Look at that, amazing. Now that's a lovely looking dropped V-dub if ever I've seen one. And blow me, as these pictures were being taken, lorry drives past in the Stag, sporting an Arry The Staaaaaag badge of honour. Arry The Staaaaaag. Now this was a lovely one from Kevin just before Christmas, who sent in his photos from Billingsgate Market. Look at that Christmas tree in the background. Now James put up a video over Christmas as well of his beautiful Stag. It's kind of an ice blue colour with those fantastic chrome wheels, the Arry The Staaaaaag badge of honour of course, and just a stunning looking car, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. Let's just listen to that burbling V8. Nice one, James. That's an absolutely tip-top motor. Well done. Meanwhile, back in the UK, Kerpel's out and about in his beautiful Stag. Just look at those lovely wheels. I love the pinstripe look of the Stag, of those tyres like that. I just think they're awesome. Well done, Kerpel. A nice looking car. And the sun was also shining down on Richard when he went out and about on New Year's Day for a wonderful gathering of classic cars. And it's just a joy to see so many cars coming together and the sun shining too. Isn't that great? Fantastic. Thanks for sending these in, Richard. Very good. Kevin, who we saw earlier though, managed to nip out to the countryside and grab a cheeky pint. Martin was up bright and early. And Kevin was on a beach in Weston-super-Mare. Not quite so glamorous as he said, but looks good. And even Simon and the gang down in United Arab Emirates were having a great day on New Year's Day. Arry the Stag! And we thought we'd finish on a shaggy dog story from Steve. Thanks, Steve. Top picture. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. A little bit different this week. Pictures and videos from around the world. Hope it's all got us in a great frame of mind. Yeah, it's all about sharing the classics dream, is Arry the Stag. And if you look over my shoulder, if you want to be part of that, you've got an Arry the Stag badge of honour sticker. Just go online to our website and get it free of charge. Anywhere in the world, we'll send you one of those, and you can pop it onto your windscreen. Doesn't have to be a stag, could be anything actually. Just sharing the classics dream. So that's that. Don't forget either, Saturday we do a brilliant email. Lots of you jump out of bed to go read it. It's called Arry the Stag Saturday Sockets. So sign up for that and get that to your inbox every Saturday. And meanwhile, yeah, thanks for watching. Please feel free to give us a thumbs up and a like, and feel free to comment too. Always good to hear from you. And if you've got any pictures or videos that you guys want to do, please just get in touch with us, and we'll be very happy to either feature that on the Saturday Sockets email, or maybe, as some of you have seen today, actually feature your films and pictures on the channel as well. And as Mel said, it was a beautiful day on Sunday. So Christy and Mel drove the Triumph Stag over to the coast. There aren't many places that look like this in January, he says, and this segment is coming out of Del Mar toward Torrey Pines State Beach, for those that know the area, and if you don't, you do now. What a wonderful way to finish the film. Thanks guys, all the best, and Arry the Stag. Go. Okay, that's it. Have a great week, and we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Cheers for now. All the best. Bye.